Do you really want to win? Don't answer that to me, answer that to yourself. And if the answer is yes, then watch this video till the end. Hi, मैं हूं लक्ष्य, a jack of all trades but master of none, who is trying YouTube for fun. To win in life, first of all you need to decide what you want to do. What do you mean when you say I want to win in life? क्योंकि मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ. There exists no such a thing as directly winning in life. And if you think that there exists such a thing, you are free to try it. And best of lucks from me. According to me, or according to what I think, winning in life is a conclusion of small daily wins. You need to win daily for a long period of time to call yourself winning in life. So, if you say that you want to win in life, you need to create goals, follow systems, do whatever you have to, whatever it takes to achieve what you want. Now, if you have decided what you want to do, allow me to tell you how you can achieve it. Step 1. A strong mindset. जिस तरह एक strong foundation से ही एक strong घर बनता है, उसी तरह mindset एक strong foundation की तरह act करता है. बिना एक strong mindset के, your house or your motivational journey will look fine for some time, but it will crumble under pressure. Same will happen to you. अगर तुम्हारा एक weak mindset है, तो एक failure तुम्हें तोड़ देगा. एक कंपैरिजन तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस गिरा देगा. एक बैड फेस तुम्हें क्विट करने पे मजबूर कर देगा. पर अगर तुम्हारे पास एक स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडसेट है तो तुम ये सब अवॉइड कर सकते हो. तुम अपना काम डेली करोगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, चाहे तुम्हें रिजल्ट दिखे उस काम के या ना, तुम अपना काम फिर भी कंटिन्यू रखोगे. तो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट what should be your mindset. That's not my place to decide what your mindset should be, because your goals are many and varied. So it's not up to me to decide for your mindset. It's up to you to decide for your mindset. You need to research upon what kind of mindset you need to achieve that goal you are particularly after. Secondly, consistency. Consistency is the pillar that supports the structure. People think they need perfect conditions to start, without realizing that starting is the perfect condition. Motivation is something when you do things when you feel like it. मोटिवेशन को तुम कह सकते हो कि ये एक ऐसी चीज है जब तुम काम करते हो जब तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हें काम करना चाहिए. बट बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट मीन you work whether you feel like it or not, whether you are able to or not, every single day of your life until or unless the goal that you want to achieve is achieved. Nobody is born consistent. Consistency is something that you have to create on your own. Do it when you feel like it. Do it when you don't. You just have to show up every day to be consistent. Consistency doesn't guarantee you will be successful, but not being consistent guarantees that you will fail. Now let's talk about what kills consistency. Taking a day off जब तुम्हें काम करना हो. Unrealistic expectations. All or nothing mindset. All or nothing mindset means किसी दिन अगर तुम्हारा काम तुम्हारे शेड्यूल के अनुसार चल रहा है, accordingly तुमने सारे काम किए, तभी तुम काम को कंटिन्यू करोगे. अगर तुम्हारा एक भी काम छूट गया, then तुम्हें लगेगा कि पूरा दिन वेस्ट हो गया है and तुम उस काम को कंटिन्यू नहीं करोगे. This is what means by all or nothing mindset. Let's talk about the third pillar what you want to achieve. It's discipline. Discipline is the wall that gives us structure, protects us from outside noises, and discipline is what makes you unshakable. Because discipline वो रूल है जो तुम अपने ऊपर लागू करते हो, that जो कि तुम नहीं तोड़ोगे चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. Discipline is self-respect and action. Only consistency can take you so far. पर discipline, when you combine consistency with discipline, it becomes such a hollow purple that helps you get past just about anything. Now let's talk about our last, the roof. Hard work. It is a roof that covers all the area that are now left. And hard work is what completes the structure. Without hard work, everything we did so far is wasted. Truth is, hard work requires consistency and discipline, and vice versa. And without a good mindset, you cannot follow all these three. So, these are the 4 key points, the 4 things that creates a perfect house, or you can say creates a perfect